Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to talk about something that has been affecting us all for over a year, the COVID-19. In a report in April, the BBC News says that it has affected 1 to 8 million people and caused caused the death of at least 2.8 million. The origin of this virus is not yet known for certain. Only only that the first cases were seen in Wuhan, China. The OMS says that it was probably spread from bats to humans. That the most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and tenseness, as, as well as a lack of taste and smell. I have personally lived it very closely since 6 of my relatives with whom I live have suffered from COVID. Currently, 5 of them are fully recovered and only one is in isolation. My mother was hospitalized for 9 days. She says she could not breathe very well. She was agitated just talking. She always tells me to take care of myself and take all the necessary precautions. During a pandemic, we know that food can be scarce, so it is important to keep non-perishable food as well as a first aid kit on hand. And let's not forget that personal hygiene is paramount as well. It's all.